हेलो अल काया टिभीलाई यस्तो सपोर्ट गरिदिएकोमा यस्तो मन पराइदिएकोमा सबैलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद अनि all those subscribers who like don't know me personally. I think I owe them all an explanation for my absence. So basically I was busy with my daughter. So I was pregnant and during this period I gave birth to a baby girl. We named her Myra and she is 5 months old. So I was very busy with her, and also because I'm a new mother, a first time mother, so I did not know many things. I did not know about childcare and all, but my mother, my mother-in-law, our families, they helped us, they supported us, guided us, and now that I'm pretty comfortable with her and I have some time off, so I decided why not go back to my old passion of making videos, since I absolutely love YouTube and I think that YouTube is an extension of my own family. So I hope you all are viewing my videos, and for all those who like my videos, please don't forget to please don't forget to refer my videos, my channel to others too, and all those Nepali vloggers, please support our channel, since I don't think a little bit of love and support has ever hurt anyone. So as you can see, I'm extremely sweaty. This is because for the first time after our honorable PM, he announced this lockdown. For the first time today I went outside, and that also was quite an emergency, since tomorrow happens to be my husband's birthday. So I wanted to bake him a cake, and I also wanted to gift him something, but this outing proved to be an absolute failure, since almost all the shops were closed, and I saw some people, I inquired, and they told us that recently there has been an announcement and some time slot has been given to everyone, but we were unaware of this. So he informed us that you can try tomorrow. So maybe if possible I might try tomorrow, but I'm not sure, because with a small kid at my home I don't want to take any chances. And today also, immediately after coming back, I ensured that my hands were properly cleaned, sanitized, and I changed my clothes. Only then I went and I actually I touched my kid. So these are some of the precautions that I'm taking. Also I'm seeing to it that I don't eat anything cold, or I don't drink anything cold. So these are all the things that I'm doing, and I don't forget to take my vitamin C capsule every morning, and I'm eating lots of ginger. I'm incorporating lemon, all these citrus fruits to build my immunity. More than myself, I'm concerned about my baby, about the health and safety of my child, because due to this lockdown, as you all know, that the hospitals are also closed. So hospitals are not closed, but what I meant is that it'll be extremely risky for such a small child to be taken to hospital during these dire situations. So these are some of the measures that I'm taking, and I hope you all are also doing the same. So please don't go out if it's not necessary. Only if it's absolutely urgent, then you should go out. And other than that, coming back to today's today's main content of my video. So usually I do the cooking and all, and my husband, he helps me in chopping and all the other preparations. But today my husband said that he wanted to make something. So the menu for today is like a 3-ingredient cake. So if you want to see what are all the ingredients that we used and what is the procedure, and if you also want to see some small snippets of my daughter, then please proceed. And if you like this channel, only if you really like this channel, then please subscribe to our channel. It's not compulsory. I don't want somebody to view my videos or to become a subscriber only for the heck of it. So I believe that only if you absolutely relate to my channel, or if you like my content, then please subscribe to our channel. So until next time, please take care and please stay safe, and let us all do our part by staying at home, and by ensuring and by praying that some like some medical, some medical invention is done, discovery, some vaccine, or maybe something comes up, and that this virus, it goes away, and no more people, like people don't have to suffer, like the immigrants and the poor people, they don't have to suffer. So and that's about it. So my brother-in-law is making lots of like hand signs and all, so I'm getting distracted. So if you want to see this video,
now you need to separate the cream from the biscuit. Now crush the biscuit into fine powder. I'm doing this with the help of a mortar and pestle so that all can do this at home. Add in half a tablespoon of baking powder to your biscuit mix. Now adding some milk to this mix and making it into a paste, but it should neither be too thick nor too runny.
this consistency is required.
Empty the biscuit mix in a grease pan and slightly tap it to release any air bubbles. Then light on your stove and place the pan on the lowest heat. Here I am diluting the biscuit mix with the help of a little milk, and then I'll whisk this well until it turns into a fine paste.
Edges?
Yes.
So you are not going to use the edges or what?
No.
You won't use the edges?
No.
And eat the edges then. Oh, meaning you're going to cut this into 4 pieces?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, baby. Already looks so delicious. And the soft पनि होला हेर्दम soft छ है खै अलिक spongy छ होला है कस्तो मजाको भएछ. By the way, sorry for the poor lighting. अहिले it's 7:14 PM. नानीलाई हेर्दा यता उता गर्दा हबीको लागि भुलीको बर्थडे केक बेक गर्दा यसरी ढिलो भइहालेछ. बट पुरा मेहनतले बनाएको मेरो हस्बेन्डले. सो प्लिज फलो दिस रेसिपी. अब यसमा चाहिँ मेरो हस्बेन्डले त्यो एउटा आइसिङ जस्तो बनाउनु भएको छ कि चकलेटको. आई थिंक मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली इज गोइङ टु लेयर इट विथ दैट. Wow. My mouth is so watery and my hands are so shaky because I'm very tired. आज whole day मैले पुरा काम गरेँ हो. 10 प्रकारको त खानै पकाएँ मैले हो. यहाँ एकजनालाई ग्यास हुन्छ, एकजनालाई के हुन्छ हो. त्यसैकारण यस्तो छ मेरो. फेरि नानीलाई I started feeding her rice. So आज मैले नानीलाई rice with दाल दिए. मजाले खान्छ मेरो नानीले. Although she is not even 5 months. तर it's not like I give a whole rice. त्यसलाई चाहिँ मैले मजाले मिक्सरमा हालेर ब्लेन्ड गरेर एकदम पेस्ट जस्तै बनाएर अब लिक्विडै जस्तो बनाएर दिन्छु. वाउ, दामी भएछ. यो डबल लेयर हो कि सिंगल लेयर हो? यसरी सेकेन्डलाई पनि उयो गर्नु. ए ओके. अन्त यो चाहिँ त्यो अघिको जुन चाहिँ त्यो क्रीम बिस्किटको क्रीम थियो त्यसलाई चाहिँ मेरो हस्बेन्डले मिल्क हालेर डाइल्युट गरेर चाहिँ यस्तो उयो त्यो लिक्विड जस्तो बनाएको. मजाले यसरी फैलायो, स्प्रेड गर्यो हो. त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ त्यो अर्कोले चाहिँ त्यसलाई टप गर्यो. सो फ्रेन्ड्स, दिस चोको लाभा केक इज रेडी हो. यसमा चाहिँ अलिकति उयो कट उयो फ्रुट ड्राई फ्रुट्सहरु हालेर यु क्यान गार्निश इट है. So my sister is going to garnish this with some dry fruits. Wow, yummy. Please make this, and if you like this recipe and if you like the kind of videos that we are making, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Kaya TV. Until next time, take care, stay safe, go Corona go. पिकीको बर्थडे केक पनि बेक हुँदैछ. दिस इज अ vanilla dry fruit cake. So although I have an OTG, तर मैले आज प्यानमा बनाउनु कोसिस गरेको छु. So let's see if this works or not. अब भएछ भने I'll try and show you a recipe, like share a recipe very soon. So अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ fingers crossed. स्मेल त एकदम डिभाइन छ, तर अब हेर्नुपर्छ फाइनल प्रोडक्ट चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ। माइरू, मेरो छोरी के भयो? सुत्ने सुत्ने बाबा? वाउ, लुक्स डिलिशियस। अब हेरौँ सफ्ट रहेछ। फ्रेन्ड्स मैले ट्राई गरेको।